ever feel like you're drowning in data? You're not alone. In today's digital age, businesses are inundated with data, and making sense of it all can be overwhelming. But what if there were tools that could transform this complex data into actionable insights, empowering your business to thrive in 2023? Today, we're diving into the best data analytics tools that can do just that. Stick around if you want to transform your data from a challenge into an opportunity. Before we jump into the tools, let's take a moment to talk about the importance of data analytics in the business world. In our increasingly data-driven society, data analytics has evolved into a cornerstone of successful business strategies. It's the art and science of collecting, processing, and analyzing data to discover trends, draw conclusions, and support decision-making. With the power of data analytics, businesses can gain a competitive edge, enhance their strategies, and, ultimately, drive growth and profitability. Think about it this way: it's like having a crystal ball that could predict future market trends and customer behavior. That's the true power of data analytics. Now that we understand the importance of data analytics, let's delve into the tools that can help us harness it. Our top 3 picks for 2023 are Tableau, Power BI, and Google Analytics. Tableau leads the pack in data visualization and is known for its user-friendly interface. Then there's Power BI, Microsoft's comprehensive business analytics tool that's a great choice for businesses already nestled in Microsoft's ecosystem. Last but not least, Google Analytics, a powerhouse for digital marketing, provides deep and insightful analyses of website traffic. Each of these tools is packed with features and benefits designed to help you harness the power of data. Choosing the right data analytics tool for your business isn't as simple as picking the one with the most features. You need to consider your specific business needs, your budget, and your team's skill set. Look at the tool's features, ease of use, scalability, integration capabilities, and customer support. And let's not forget the cost, a vital factor for any business. Also, in today's world, data privacy and security are paramount, so make sure the tool complies with relevant regulations and has adequate security measures in place. Remember, the best tool isn't the one with the most bells and whistles. It's the one that fits your business like a glove. As the volume of data continues to grow, data analytics tools are set to play an increasingly critical role in the world of business. They're the key to managing the data deluge, uncovering hidden insights, and driving strategic decision-making. Businesses that can leverage these tools effectively will be better equipped to anticipate market trends, understand customer needs, optimize operations, and drive innovation. In other words, if you want to be ahead of the curve in 2023, these tools are your ticket. In conclusion, data analytics tools are more than just a nice-to-have in 2023. They're a business necessity. Whether you opt for Tableau's powerful visualizations, Power BI robust integration capabilities, or Google Analytics in-depth web insights, the right tool can significantly enhance your business's data capabilities. So don't let your data overwhelm you. Empower your business with the best data analytics tools out there. Remember, data is just numbers until you transform it into meaningful insights. The right tool can turn those numbers into a story that can guide your business to success. So whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just starting to dip your toes into the world of data, it's time to dive in and unlock the potential of your data. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and practical advice on empowering your business in this digital age. Remember, in the world of data, knowledge truly is power. Before we end, here's a quick bonus tip. The world of data analytics is dynamic and ever-evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated. Follow industry leaders, subscribe to relevant newsletters, and participate in forums and webinars. Continuous learning is the key to staying ahead in the data game. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and start your data journey today. We're excited to be part of your journey and look forward to seeing you in our next video. That wraps up our deep dive into the best data analytics tools to empower your business in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. We're constantly exploring new trends and tools to help your business thrive in the digital age. If you have any questions or there's a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, leave a comment below. We always love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.